years of drought, rain has finally poured across Iran, Iraq and Turkey. And it hasn't just rained, it has flooded. A drought that lasted for years suddenly wiped out. But is this just nature or something far more calculated? Because some analysts are now claiming that this was not a coincidence. This was Iran's response. During this US-Iran war, Iran launched strikes on US military installations in the UAE. And according to the circulating claims, among those targets was a secret cloud seeding facility, a facility allegedly used to influence weather patterns across the Middle East. The claim that these systems were designed to keep certain regions hot and dry, prevent cloud formation, block rainfall, while maintaining controlled weather conditions over Gulf states. Even more shocking claims suggest that chemicals like aluminum oxide, silver iodide, and other compounds were being dispersed into the clouds, and that advanced signal systems were guiding atmospheric behavior. But then everything changed. Within just 72 hours of the strike, heavy rainfall swept across Iran, Iraq, and southeastern Turkey. Dry rivers began to flow again. Dams that had been empty for years are now filling up. In Iran, provinces that had faced nearly a decade of drought suddenly received massive rainfall. Reports claim multiple dams in Azerbaijan province are now full, some even overflowing. Unusual snowfall has also been recorded in parts of the region. In Iraq, the Darwandin Khan Dam is reportedly at full capacity. Water levels in major rivers including the Tigris have surged. And in Turkey, reservoirs are filling up at levels not seen in years. Temperatures have also dropped by as much as 5 degrees in some areas. Some experts are now calling this is not just a military strike, but a climate strike. A shift that changed the region's weather almost overnight, which caused an overnight transformation in the weather of Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. And this was not a natural change. It marked the end of what is being described as a climate conspiracy against Iran. Because according to these claims, the United States was not treating water as a source of light, but as a weapon.